6 weeks ago, I fractured a bone in my back in a super hard crash, but I'll tell you more about that later in the video. For now, I want to tell you about my favorite big air kiting and surfing spots in Cape Town, South Africa. Without further ado, let me show you the spot where I broke the woo record a couple years back. Yo, what's up guys? We're here at Misty Cliffs for a big air session. We're here with the Egypt boys and my wife, and we're gonna try and jump super duper high. So for us to reach those heights, I gotta be on my 7-meter XR7. It looks like it might be 7-meter weather today. I'm gonna take the 7 and 8 down, but let's see. So let's get down there. I hope it's nuking. Also, I didn't sleep so well last night because we had the Kota after party, which was absolutely sick. But let's get out there and send it. Ow! So guys, how are the conditions?
It's super gusty, but yeah, there are some good kickers out there, so if you time them well with the gust, you can actually go really big.
All right, well, let's see what happens. Let's go.
See you guys later.
This legend over here skipped cricket on a Sunday so he could come film.
Yeah, good.
Oh, let's hit it! Baby, show us the 7 and the 8.
This is 7, and this is 8, and this is apparently 6, or something like that.
And Habibi Mustafa says it's 7, so I'm gonna grab the 7. Got it, Freshie! Alright, so far so good! Whoa! Let's go!
Okay.
A few moments later.
So I've got to say, I have been going through the wars lately. I crashed a boogie loop, which is a trick I've probably performed 1,500 times. and I fractured my T3 vertebra in my back. It's a compression fracture and I have 23% vertebral height loss. I also have probable hairline fractures to my ribs and a bruised lung. Well, I had it, and now thankfully that's gone. So needless to say, I haven't been kiting and surfing much at all actually in the past 6 weeks, but I should be back on the water super duper soon. Warning, the following footage is pretty gross. So to top it all off, I must have bitten my lip or something because I had a trauma-induced mucal cyst, which is basically this little thing that's designed to release mucus into your mouth when you need to salivate and eat food. And mine got blocked and filled up with saliva. Check out this gross photo and video. And I went to a doctor and he cut this thing out, and then I had a super big lip for about 2 weeks. So yeah, guys, I haven't been kiting, haven't surfing, haven't been making videos, but I should be back out there in no time. So once more, without further ado, let me show you my favorite wave in Cape Town, South Africa, and it is called dunes. Alrighty guys, on the way to pick up the new wheels. Super amped, new ride.
Fresh cabby. Woo!
And yeah, here with Mango and Kazi, homies from the school days, and yeah, we're gonna go for a surf at dunes. My favorite
on
wave.
YouTube.
And yeah, favorite wave in Cape Town. So let's see how the surfing today goes. Ow! Ow! Old ride, new ride. Woo-wee! Alright, so there's definitely swell. We're looking over there at sunsets and dunes. Holy shit, sunset's looking solid. So you know it's pulling into dunes. The question is, where are we going to surf, Mango? But I reckon if the balls are big today, we're gonna paddle the dune. Been a while for me since I've surfed solid barrels, probably like 2.5 years. So we'll see how it goes just dropping into pits. I reckon it's like riding a bike. I'll probably go over the handlebars a couple times, but we'll eventually get one.
I got faith in you, Mikey.
Thanks, brother. Thanks, bro.
Always sending, always sending.
That's it. Hi. All right. That'll work. Yeah, brother. All right, let's go paddle. Ow! Alrighty, dudes, we are at dunes. We did the walk, and we got here, and the tide's pretty low. It's closing out quite a bit. And yeah, so we're gonna shoot a little bit. Gonna pull out the drone. It's so sick from the kiting to have such awesome camera gear. I'm shooting with a Sony FX30 and a nice, what have I got, your 18 to 105mm lens. So shooting that 4K 100p goodness, 100 frames a second, I think is what I should say, FPS. And yeah, gonna pull out my Air 2S and try to get some oaks getting fucking tunneled on the drone. And we're just gonna wait for the tide to pick up before we hit it. And you know we're gonna get those barrels. Probably not gonna just go over the falls because it's been a long time, but we go for it anyway. Ow!
see a bunch of empties.
All right, it's time to go for a session. Been waiting all day and the swell's finally pulling in. Looking pretty good out there now. Let's cross fingers and hope for some crackers. Ow! Oh my God, so beautiful being out here again. Just being close to the water. It's like, yeah, it's just this picture of something I haven't seen for a while. So beautiful. Beautiful day at the beach. Didn't get the swell we wanted, but look at that sunset. So, needless to say, I haven't been kiting or surfing in the past few weeks, but I have been working super hard on the Big Air Kite League, and we got some super cool, exciting news for you if I haven't released it already, and I've also been working really hard on my kite shop. So exciting things happening nonetheless, and we're making the most of it. So rider of the episode is Jamie Overbeek. A lot of guys say Overbeek, but I think you say Overbeek in Holland. And he just jumped 35 meters as recorded on Woo. And we have sent him the sick 35 meter club Big Air Kite hoodie. Now, if you guys want to get your sick X meter club hoodies, we got them 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30 meter club hoodies. They're super, super sick, and get them now at bigairkite.com. 5% of your order goes to supporting a rider of your choice. So if you want to support Jamie, be sure to select him in that drop down. Ow! So if you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so I can show you more kiting and surfing adventures. And now if you're a surfer and you're considering getting into kiting, Big Air Kiting is absolutely amazing. You get to jump crazy big heights. Even if you're just an average kiter, you can be jumping 10 meters high. If you're pretty good, you jump 15 to 20 meters high. And if you're super good, you can jump 25 meters plus, which is absolutely insane. The world looks amazing from up there, and what an adrenaline rush. So guys, I highly recommend getting into it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I've made another one for you. You can watch that one over here. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel over here. If you got any recommendations for what video I should make next, drop them in the comments. Muchos besos. Adios.